Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the video. My name is Tom Canino. Today we're going to do a Torque Solutions install, basically an eBay rear motor mount for the Speed 3. She has a bunch of mods to it. This should have been the first one I've done. Wheel hop, torque steer. Whew. So let's just open the box. Pretty simple. You have your Torque Solutions rear motor mount and a nice sticker that we'll just add to the stack that we have going. So pretty basic. It's actually for $100, pretty well made. Seems pretty durable. It's pretty basic install. It's just 2 bolts. These are both not 19mm. Couple things that you're gonna need for this job. Pretty easy. Just a 3/8 inch drive wrench, and then you're gonna want a 17mm. I have a deep socket, but it doesn't really match when you have. And then a 19mm. And then you're going to want to have a torque wrench. Now that's very important because they all need to be set back to 70 foot-pounds of torque for the torque wrench. So you're going to want to have that. And then also have an open wrench, 19mm, just because on the motor mount, these are both 19, so you're going to have one over here to hold it down, and then you'll be wrenching on the other side. So with that being said, I'm getting it jacked up on jack stands and this car is low, so I had to drive up on a piece of wood. Low problems. So what you're going to want to do, this is the motor mount here. There is 1 bolt here. This is going to be 17, and then you're going to want to take out this one, and then the one up top, if you can see that one. Those are both 19s, and then that's really it. So you can just get this transmission mount out of your way. You can just swing it down, so you can actually leave the one on the top furthermost to the front. You can leave that on just so you can swivel it. And then there's one on the bottom that's also a 19 on the mount itself. So yeah, one on the mount itself is a 17. That one should come out pretty easily. And then the one on top. This one here is actually 15. So you have 19, 19, 18, and 15. That is your 15mm. It's not every day you're trying to just do a rear motor mount install and your mom comes to tell you that you need to go watch your cat drag her ass across the floor. But hey, that's what this YouTube channel is about, new things. So you actually might need to... So you actually just have to loosen this one. You don't have to take it off. Just you can swing the bracket down. Like that, just to get it out of your way. Then this bottom one is your 17, which you just want to take out. Last bolt. Then you can just slide out your motor mount. So yeah, that's the motor mount. Pretty basic. Definitely good for like a daily driver and your typical driver, car owner, but us Mazdaspeed guys, we don't want a soft jello-y mount. We want to feel the raw power that this car makes. Let me tell you, this power, let me tell you, the power this makes, huge. Hey, it's me again. So I got the motor mount, and we're just gonna slide her into place, and she is a slide and play kind of application, so we're just gonna fucking pop her in, torque her to spec, be good to go. Do I want the Torque Solutions on the bottom so I can look at it, or do I want it on the top? I don't know, is that like a thing? I mean, I guess there's no wrong way to put it, so we'll keep it out. So whenever I have it jacked up, they'll know, like, yeah, I got every motor mount. What are you talking about? Slides right in. Easy peasy. This bolt can just slide right up in there. So what you should do, or what I did to help with guiding it in, put this one in first, and then put this one in. That should help you get it guided in. You can't really see that, but we're at 70 foot-pounds. Torque all the bolts to 70 foot-pounds, and then you should be good to go. And obviously this is holding your engine down, so you're definitely gonna wanna go around and check 2 or 3 times that it's good to go. This is where you're going to want your wrench, open end. It's for the 19mm. Good. Last but not least is the 17mm going from the bottom of the mount. Alright, that was all of them. We're all good to go. We double checked all of the torques, and last thing to do is lower her down, and yeah, that's it. This is what the stock one looks like. Same size, just this one is much more rugged feeling. Okay, first startup. I really don't notice the difference. This seems, maybe a little bit. Ooh, shifting feels so much better. I don't really feel a vibration. Maybe it's just me. I mean, with the callus downpipe, you get a little bit of vibration, not much. I don't really notice it. First to second. Shifting, oh my god. So much better. Shifting is so much more crisp. In this car, going from first to second and even second to third, you just get like a lot of clunk. With that stock motor mount, it'll just fucking, it's so jello-y, everything just moves around, which is good if you want like a good daily driver. But if you're trying to do some spirited driving, you don't want that. You want to have like a solid, you want it to feel like it's one piece, and that's what this feels like. So much better. Shifting is much more crisp. Other things that I have that would affect my shifting are the solid shifter bushings and the I have a Cork Sport short shift plate, so that kind of plays into it. But this is still night and day from what I had before. So much better. Way much more clunk. It's way easier to rev match. So much easier to rev match. Okay, we're gonna do a launch, or somewhat of a launch, of the stop sign. See how much wheel spin we get, see if we get any torque steer, and overall do like a decent pull. So second gear, 3000 RPM. Pulls way better. It's significantly less torque steer. There was a little bit of wheel spin in second gear too. Not wheel hop, it was just wheel spin. So I love that about it. Torque steer, so much less torque steer. We're gonna try to do, no one's behind me, no one's in front. We're gonna try to do a launch. So much better. 3000. So much better. I can already tell, like, it's just wheel spin, it's not wheel hop, and that is just okay. So I cannot feel it when it's just idling, but if you really pay attention to it, you can feel it in your feet. But I feel like a lot of that is because I have a catalyst downpipe. But that's the video, guys. I am super stoked about this part. I mean, I should have done this. This should have been one of the first things I've done. But I'm excited. It's just wheel spin, first and second gear, no wheel hop at all, like none. So that's gonna be the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.